Alright guys, so you guys don't know me yet, but my name's Alonzo. Now you know me. I'm just kidding. Anyway, this YouTube channel is gonna be mainly about my little baby right here. If you know, then you know. If not, well, all I gotta say is save the DSM. Actually, I just got this car like a week or two ago. I was driving it and it decided to break down on me. Figured out it was my crank. What is it again, B? Crank sensor and my belt. So to be honest, that's what you guys are gonna be seeing. Actually, we already started off by removing the belts and the spark plugs. That came off. We got a little light up here, as if that matters, but like I said, we just removed. Where'd that belt go? I don't know, but we're starting by removing the belts. And I'm gonna just keep you guys updated, really.
You get some decent footage and
he's saying it. Yes, sir.
kind of learn as we go.
Exactly, like my people said. To be honest, guys, this is a project. Honestly, it's my daily as well, so I'm gonna keep it pretty reliable. But it's a really fun car. Don't get me wrong, but it will shoot a lot of problems at you. We're not professionals, but he's been in the game for a lot longer than I have, like way longer, and his friends, so they know a lot more than me. But we're gonna get it figured out. We're not pros really, but we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out regardless, man. Guys, let me show you guys something real quick. Like I said, this car needs a lot of work. Well, one, let me start by saying this. I need a new mortar mount. That thing's done. Real done. Let's see once it's put out. Motor mount's coming out. Boom.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Yep.
Replacing that as well.
And let me show you guys something real quick under the car. So you guys see all this oil? That's for my car from the 2 days that it's been sitting. And if you look closer, oh, there's a lot of oil, so I'm trying not to touch the camera. But my seal right about there. It just needs a new one. That's gonna be replaced. Honestly, guys, this car's gonna be a lot of work. But like I said, I don't really mind, because this is my little baby right here. So we gotta get this thing running pristine. It needs a lot of work. Nothing. Y'all see that little blow on that? Yeah. Kyle? Yes, sir. So let's get back to this real quick. Alright, guys. So like I said, this was a problem from the start, the balance shaft belt.
This snap breaking the crankshaft position sensor, so
that's what garbage. And now there's just a bunch of shards down there. You guys can't really see on camera, but no, there's just a bunch of shards down there. Oh well, that gives you a little glimpse of it. There you go. Oh yeah, now I got the homie Chris here.
Hey, what's good? What seals it right there is basically just the
keep in mind, both of you guys have DSM, so they both know what they're doing. Like I said, we not professionals though. We still learning.
We learning still.
Yeah. Gotta get them angles. You feel me?
Hey.
All that. Oh yeah, like I haven't updated you guys in a minute. Actually, we took off the wheel.
Removed the wheel, the mount. We removed the timing cover. We got the couple of the rest of the bits and pieces of the balance shaft that were left. And that's about where we're at so far.
Hell yeah, man. Say less. We're gonna keep working and pick you guys up. Also, we still need to stop at the store and get some parts, so you guys are gonna come along for that as well. Alright, Chris, explain what just happened, man. What just happened, man?
I just caught my glow on this screw.
Well,
besides
there's
that,
a bent valve, man.
So what we're assuming is, as we're trying to put it top dead center, it just stopped. So as we're rotating the crank, what we're assuming is the balance shaft belt, when it ripped, it might have been caught within the timing belt, and it probably skipped timing, and we might just have a bent valve.
yeah. So now it's more work and more money. That's the best part, right?
That's that DSM though.
Yes, sir.
Because it is.
We want to become
Moment of truth, but we already know what's happening. Well, here comes off the valve cover gasket. I mean the valve cover
itself.
Yeah.
Remove it. Hopefully don't screw any of the screws. And no, none of them dropped. So
None of them dropped. That's good.
Just replace the valve cover.
Yeah.
It's off of the titanium, so we're gonna replace it.
That's fine, that's fine. I ain't tripping, man. Damn. So what's going on, Chris?
Nah, just checking. Oh no, this one's loose. Oh, felt loose.
No, that's normal.
They're not supposed to be this big.
Yeah, boy.
Well, fucking, I'll pull a plug and then see what turn the motor. Maybe it was just a compression stroke. I don't know.
Boom. Now timing belt's coming off. Head's gonna come off as well because we're pretty sure
Yeah, skip timing.
it's skip timing. Yeah. So what does that mean? The valves might be bad.
New head job, that's what it is.
Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much what's gonna go down now. So it's a lot more serious than we thought, but that's even more content for you guys, so you guys should be happy. Alright guys, so there wasn't much that could be done today, honestly. It was more so about reviewing what we needed, and as we went on, like what we were gonna need, pretty much. So that's what we're like trying to figure out. So it's gonna sit for a little bit. I have to get the head resurfaced, order a bunch of parts, and once those come in, you guys can expect another video. I'm sorry the camera's so close, but that's how it's gotta be. Alright guys, we're back. In the same video, just a different day. Actually a couple days after. What had happened, I honestly had like a really bad experience getting my parts because I ordered them. I had ordered them. I'm also driving, that's why I'm like trying to pay attention to you guys and the road, but I had ordered them and then I put one wrong number in the house address, and then it was just a bunch of crap. So it did kind of suck. So I had to wait like a whole week just to get my parts, and I wasn't even supposed to receive them. It's just that, it's just that luckily a FedEx driver actually called my number and like got in contact with me, so I was able to do that. Because when I called FedEx, the company itself, they said they couldn't do nothing, so that was really good. But actually the parts just came in yesterday, so today we're gonna take the head, the valves and the valve seals to the machine shop because I need to get that resurfaced. And the only bad thing, it's 8:25 in the morning. I'm on my way to work, so that's a bad thing. Once I'm on my lunch, I'll take that to the machine shop. So yeah, come along with me. Until then, yeah, actually just give me 1 second. I'll translate to that for you guys. Yes, sir. Get it.
Yeah, because they do charge extra for that.
Here are the valves, intake and exhaust valves. My valve seals are also in here. There's the head alone now. Took off the cams, all the other little stuff.